Um, we are coming to see the grave of the white man who came to fight Bai Bureh. Um, this is his grave. As you can see, this is his grave here. And how they call it? Rumende. And the first way they come for comfort Bai Bureh. Now engrave this, as you can see. And then guys, and this is the grave of one of the people who Bai Bureh killed because they came to capture him, to take him for slavery, and it is killed in action, carrying in 1898, was killed in 1898. This is his grave, and there are the people then we come for comfort Bai Bureh, come for arrest them, for carry and go as slaves them. And then this, okay, other side is the other side, okay. As you see, Be Alive with Baikamz, we the highway for to go see Bai Bureh in village. What are we to talk to?
They talk to Pakumur by Kablai Kamara from Rubalankashe village.
Okay. Be Alive with Baikamz, come Naya Tilina Bai Bureh in village, in hometown, Usai Ibidi stay. We come for can know about Bai Bureh. We can know how Bai Bureh be living life and what Ibidi use doing where they alive. And we are today with the brother for can take we through this store. This na Be Alive with Baikamz. Continue for watch. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Mr. Jallo, as you come, you can know the part in story when I let Pa Bai Bureh Kablai. So, welcome you once. And me, na Pakumur by Kablai Kamara. Okay. So, as you see, the first thing when I the stone, beside the pa be the sharp in sword for go pets. This na the stone this. As you see the sample for the sword, now in this, and you see this side, we side the stone broke so. Yeah, now the weight man there, the 10 wouldn't come. Yeah, this will be long.
Okay.
So the 10 way the weight man then be come for them. Now yeah, then it will split this stone here. Where they be don't vex because they not be able to see that part in the moment where they come.
Okay. Okay. So now the part be sharp in cutlass.
Yeah.
Why them broke that stone? They say because they're not seeing.
Because they're not seeing, they come with vegetation.
Okay. So after that, what's now the other thing they again we the part be they use in doing lifetime?
Well, the power in thing they won't be the use for pets. Let me say, like for example, this now the short this, although they just make an hormonal, not to the real one this.
Okay.
But because of now warrior, they put the sample, let everybody where they can, let you know say now the parties in stone won't be the use for pet, for sharpening sword.
Okay.
So if now they can, this not to the reality one. This will take as enough for them because now power will be say in being powerful.
Okay.
In sword, no, in being strong enough.
Okay.
So if they can see the sample, and they use this sword, use the stone, and the other material, then they inside in room, inside they sleep. Okay. So now they host this, way in being day, although now been touch house according to the time. Okay. But now with the late one then where they cancel. Through the effort we able, now we will do this for review the host.
Okay, for rebuild them back.
Yeah.
People and they live inside, huh?
Then they live there, yes.
Okay, now that they live inside it.
Well, now in other grand picking there. Great grand picking there.
Okay. Where in grand picking there?
Now then three and the way sit down so Facility Bangura and Zainab Kamara and Palmo Bangura.
Okay, so let me talk to in Grand Peking them because a lot of people go there out there now the world where go and see in generations them where then why are in Grand Peking there? You name sir?
My name Pasidiki.
Pasidiki. Okay, you now waiting to Bai Bureh.
Great what yourself. Crampy gin.
Okay.
Boleh.
Okay. So you name man?
Saya nak kamera.
Okay. You now waiting to Bai Bureh.
Ni nari kia.
Okay.
Ricky, Ricky.
Great grandpicking.
Putar boleh. Bai Bureh ke belai. Orang kau Bai Bureh mulai. Bai Bureh mulai kau kumbat dalam kau. Putar boleh.
So as in the talk,
Putar boleh.
the one where Pa Bai Bureh born, now him born this in daddy way born am.
Okay.
So
that means in a grandpicking.
yes, now grandpicking.
Putar boleh.
So in a grandpicking. So family as we see Bai Bureh in grandpicking. Now in this is still they alive. So you must know how this it really fool me more. Yes sir, your name sir? Okay, you now waiting to Bai Bureh.
Mina Ari Ikea.
Okay, what thing Ikea mean?
Yeah, grandpicking, just the same. Yeah.
Okay, Ikea. Okay. Thank you very much. As we see, these same people are now Bai Bureh, the great Bai Bureh, the warrior in grandpicking there. So you go take we now you sideway in Tinende.
Yes, at the axe, yeah, Mami Zainab.
Okay.
Letting go able to show in at the place because now they in charge.
Okay.
Now we left there for watch.
Okay.
The place.
Okay.
Beside them thing and they day.
Okay.
So yeah, able. It's really culture should go Kori.
Masih di kecil.
So I in the matter to run instead of back to the big one.
Thursday, a Monday, a Friday.